Hey, what's up, bros? It's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And many of you still asking me how to install Gspace with Google Play icon hack. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it again. Let's get started, brothers. The first thing you have to do, brothers, is go to the description of this video. There is a link, tap on that link, and the link takes you to my website. Scroll a bit down. On the website, scroll a bit down until you see this link, Gspace 1.0.5 with Google Play icon hack. Not install this one, the newest version. Instead, install this Gspace 1.0.5 with Google Play icon hack. So tap on this link. Now you have to tap on this big blue button again. It says your download is starting. Tap on download right here. And now we have to wait. Okay, Gspace icon fontech.zip is complete. The download is complete. What next? Go back, open files on your phone, internal storage, download, browser, and here is the file. So tap on it and hold a finger on it for about 1 or 2 seconds. I will show you. Now 3 dots right here, more, extract to, tap on it and leave it on current directory. Tap on OK and we are done. Again, internal storage, download, browser, Gspace, open it, and now install the Gspace right here. So tap on it. That's cool. No risks. Tap on install and tap on done. Now go back and tap on Gspace right here and tap on start. Tap on allow, and now we have to wait. Almost there. Okay, now go back. Now again, files. Tap on this Android shortcut maker, install it, and open it. Now go back, files, and tap on this shortcut right here. Choose other, and choose right here shortcut maker, and choose always. And now all you have to do is tap on create shortcut. I know my English is terrible, but it is what it is, bros. I'm sorry. So tap on create shortcut right here, and now tap on add. And now we have Google Play icon right here. So if I want now log in with my Gmail, with my Google account, all I have to do is tap on this very nice icon. Now tap on sign in. Google Play Protect is turned on. This feature protects your device from harmful applications. As you can see, my device is now Huawei GSN AL00A, aka Honor 8X. Now, the question: can I use the Gspace or our play method with my primary Google account? Of course not. I don't know if it is if it's safe. don't use your primary Google account. Instead, use your secondary Google account for downloading your favorite games, favorite applications. Of course, don't use your banking credit cards, etc. So this method is great for installing applications you can install via the Huawei App Gallery or Petal Search. Always use your secondary Google account, not your primary account. So, and from here, of course, I can log in with my Google account, my secondary. It's not secondary. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on. Doesn't matter. So, let's go. I agree, and I don't want this. More, accept. And as you can see, from here, I can download my favorite games. Again, as always, I will try YouTube. Tap on install, and the YouTube will be installed on your device. In this case, this is the Huawei P40 Pro. Plus, as you can see, the YouTube is installing right now. This is the Gspace. And the problem with Gspace is that if you want to download something, you always have to go to tap on this Gspace icon, tap on some shortcut, for example this drive. Now go back, and from here search for your favorite game or application. But with the Google Play icon hack right here, you can only tap on the icon and you are in Google Play on the home screen, on the main screen, and from here you can download your favorite game. Of course, now I have to tap on the YouTube, the open button right here, the green one, and phone tag, and I can watch my videos even with advertisement. So this was again, bros, how to install the Gspace with Google Play icon hack. It's very simple, very easy, and again, don't use Gspace and our Play method with your primary Google account. Use your secondary account and you will be fine. So I do hope you ended up again. Enjoy the video, bros. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is very important. The Harmony OS is coming, bros. P50 Huawei Watch 3 Pro. It's on its way to my home, and I'm very looking forward for the new Huawei products. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Ahoj, mějte se krásně. Peace out, brothers.